Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Spoiler update. In this video, I am going to tell you about One Piece chapter 1013 and what is potential spoiler and its prediction. And the next chapter will be very intense, and I am going to whole about this. And one chapter 1013 is still few days away, and fans are waiting for a spoiler to predict what could happen in the next chapter, because spoiler 1012 has been going to end, and after few days spoiler 1013 is going to release. Everyone in anime community is familiar with One Piece because it is most popular One Piece spoiler chapter, and its new episode is coming every week. One of the most popular and longest running Japanese manga, the series fluctuates in incredible fan base of million because of its amazing character and storyline. And each week, One Piece chapter 101 to 19113 fans waiting for new anime episode and manga chapter. Anime fan recently watched episode 973. However, manga readers still have to wait few days read upcoming chapter 1013. And chapter 1013, my writing 1013 is going to release after few days, and I am going to update about silent feature of this. Firstly, the next One Piece chapter is titled Anarchy in Big Mom, and the chapter kicks off with Ulti recovering from Nami attack. After that, Nami uses Torondo Tempo to defeat Ulti, but he dodges the attack. And Big Mom uses combined Napoleon, Prometheus and Hera attack and overwhelms Ulti. Here was created at the request of Prometheus, who said that wanted a girlfriend. And Zeus then break her heartbreak. Big Mom says that she is no longer needs Zeus and tell Hera to eat him. Even after seeing Zeus begging for his life, Big Mom decided not to spare him. And Big Mom then put her focus on attacking Nami and Usopp. On the other hand, Zeus apologized to Nami. In a difficult situation, Zeus decided to sacrifice himself for Nami, and between all the mess, Kid uses Pong Gibson against Big Mom. The chapter ends with Luffy falling from Onigashima to the sea. And One Piece official Twitter that happy birthday to the future king of pirates, Monkey D. Luffy. What is your favorite Luffy moment? They ask from the fans, and they do this on their official One Piece account. If you have using Twitter, you have seen that people are always discussing these One Piece chapter and want to watch exactly what happened in the next episode. As we see in next episode 973, Onishama always been protecting his controversy and always talk about this. Now One Piece 1013 is going to release, and these are the silent feature of this 1013 based on the last chapter event. And these spoilers, it's safe to assume that the next chapter will be amazing. However, make sure you don't take these spoilers seriously, as they may differ from the official chapter. It is the best to read the official chapter when eventually arrive to via media, and people are often saying that we should avoid watching all these without official release. What is your opinion about this? Did we have seen this chapter without official release or not? Write below comment section. And if you are new on my channel, subscribe to my channel, because I am going to update regular on this One Piece and what is exactly happen in One Piece 103, and when new episode is arrive, and I am going to update about every update when news arrive. So thanks for watching, and stay with me for more video and updates. So these are the One Piece chapter 1013 updated that is going to release after few days, and fans are looking for this spoiler to predict what could happen in next chapter.